These niggas talking out of their neck, pull no coffin out of your mouth. I'm way too paranoid for a threat. Hey, let's get it, bro. EOT, money, power, respect. The last one is better. Say this a lot of goofies for the check. I hope my sentiments symbolic. My temperament bipolar, two violence. Hey, let's get it up. It's time for him to prove that he's a problem. Niggas clicking up, but they not be legit. No 40 water. Tell him, yeah, get up with me. Fuck sneak this, first person shooter. I hope they came with.
Of the Copyright Act 1976. Allowance is made for fair use for purposes such as criticism, comment, news reporting, scholarship, and research. Fair use is a use permitted by copyright statute that might otherwise be infringing. Non-profit, educational, or personal use tips the balance in favor of fair use.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to another video. This is just a very quick update. Yesterday I did a Devin Clark Lyric Wood update. The accused offender in this case had been assigned initially for court on October, I believe the 27th. So being that it's November, I told you guys I went to look for information about it, could not find anything, and that I would keep you guys abreast. Now, let's go ahead and talk a little bit about this case. The offender is Isaac Mackay Ross. The complainants in this case is Lyric Wood and Devin Clark. I had a picture of them in the last one. Let me go ahead and pop them up here so you guys can see them, remember them. This is about them. It's not about him, although he is the person who, you know, caused them to no longer be here. I still want to honor them, by remembering who they are. So let me go ahead and pop a picture up so you guys are able to see that. For those of you who may not remember, let's see, this is it. They were unalived back in, hold on, y'all. Let me get this set up appropriately. Back in 2022, she was, I think, 14 and he was 18. They were friends. I don't know how they ended up together this day. They weren't. It wasn't a, situation to where she snuck out to be with him per se. Just give me a moment, guys. I'm trying to get this on the screen. I don't know if I need a new battery, but my what's this thing? My mouse was acting funny. Anyway, this is Lyric 14 and Devin 18, and it started out as a missing person case, as I told you guys yesterday. Ended up that these two guys were missing. They were found by some ATV riders in a patch of woods over not too far from Lyric's home. The motive, we're not sure. The case itself, let me give you, because I did actually go and look up the legalities of it so that I can have more for you in this update, because I didn't feel I properly represented before. This is Orange Superior Court. The case is under pending, and he has two charges. Both are first degree M. You know what M stands for. Red rum. That's how you say it backwards. He has two cases of this. The offenses were September 17th, 2022. The filing date for these charges is October 18th, 2022. The statute is 14-17 FA. Um, let's see. I wanted to see if I didn't know if there was anything on here. I want to make sure I'm not putting out any proprietary information to show you guys this, but this is the information from the actual court. Um, and like I said, he was supposed to go to court on the 27th. Let's go into that information now. Let me see if I can show this to you. I have to make sure that I'm not putting out anything that should not be public. Um, so, like I said, it was filed on the 18th. It says legacy process date. Indictment was issued on October the 3rd. November the 7th, 2022, they issued a motion to continue. Um, November the 7th, the defense attorney was assigned. I am privately retained defense attorney. Um, November the 7th, the state attorney was also assigned. On the 18th of November, there was an order to continue. I'm not quite sure if there was information that was being submitted to the court or made a part of this case. Although I can see the things that were listed here, I cannot actually see the document, so I cannot tell you any grave detail on that part. Fast forward to 2024. They did what's called a case scan. Maybe that is just when it changes from one uh, situation to another. I don't know. On July 2024, there was a motion to continue murder trial. Now, why they have to keep doing this, I'm not sure. But October the 27th, 2025, there was also a motion to continue. Now, like I told you guys, as far as the hearings are concerned, he was supposed to go to court October the 27th for a jury trial, and this was canceled. It says resource location, Orange County Courthouse, courtroom one, but it says courtroom in error. So maybe that is not the correct court that this will be in. So with that being the case, they canceled it. The next date for this um, case is going to be January the 12th, 2026. It will be for the jury trial, and it will be this was created on August of 2025. So he's actually going to have his case heard via jury trial January the 12th, 2026. So we will definitely stay tuned for that. We're going to put that information um, out there. Now, I currently live in Arkansas, so I can't physically be there. So that's that on that. Not really much I can do about that. Can't cover it there. I know that this it's been a while, so a lot of people aren't paying attention to this case, but when I cover cases here, I plan to try to see them through. So that's just how I plan to handle this. I know a lot of big YouTubers did not see this as something that was worthwhile, and that's very unfortunate because I mean, two people lost their life. Let's be honest. So, anyway, guys, I just wanted to give you an update on what was going on with this case. Nothing happened in October. They rescheduled for a jury trial January 12th, 2026. So, we're going to keep locked on that and um we plan to cover it. So whether we have to get daily updates, whatever we have to do to keep you guys updated, we definitely plan to do that. Um, If you have any questions, do not hesitate to ask me in the comments. And I will see you guys in the next video. That is all I have for you on today. Bye.